Babe, babe. Babe.
Hi, pretty princess. Are we going on a road trip? Her face.
Corn liquor tastes sweeter in this town. Could it be it's the same as the last?
We got our new home right here. We just arrived in like Poconos, PA area, Timothy Lakes. We left the RV, the place where we bought the RV, I can't think right now. And that was all the way in Ohio, 8 hours away. That was like at 1 when we left. It's 11:30ish and the park rangers aren't answering, so we're about to go see if anyone's in the office right here. Some real ghetto.
I'm scared.
If I hear a bear, if I hear a bear, I'm tripping you.
I'm out. I'm throwing Nova at that dog.
Babe, try again. There was someone there.
Hello? Is there anyone alive out there?
So beautiful today. Good morning, guys. So last night was definitely our first night. Like, it's a story to tell. We had to stay outside of where we're gonna stay, but that's okay. It's kind of a funny story. There was no light or anything, but we had heat, so that's all that mattered to me. But look how gorgeous. I don't have any coffee right now. This would have been a vibe, like a whole moment, but it's okay. I have a Monster, it's close enough. I'm vlogging.
Be careful, man. You don't want to yank it.
Huh?
You don't want to yank it open and have the door in your hand like, oh, you're strong as hell.
I am pretty strong. Which one you want, the Nutri-Grain or the peanut?
The Nutri-Grain. Both of them. You're not gonna have one?
I'm not hungry yet.
Really? Look, that's me. No, here's the headline. So I was just thinking, can you imagine putting like multiple screens over here on this side and be like that whole desk area for work? Day trading?
Do we need multiple? Like, are we gonna look like little,
Mm-hmm.
like, hackers in the RV?
Like Tony Stark.
Maybe 2 big ones.
Mm-hmm.
Or we can do something really, like, lofty, like, chill right there. And you could just do your day trades off of your computer. What?
So we got another person on our 12 o'clock. Coming up over here.
Can we
I need you to
look at
have
his
my
stand?
We're golden because we got somebody in our 12 with a big ass Saint Bernard. Cold than a motherfucker up here in Pennsylvania in the good state of God. This God-given state right here, boy. See this girl right here? She fucking fire. I protect her with all my guns and all my heart. All right, baby, where you want to go? The West is going to be over there. I wonder if I could.
On our spot, and I think we found a gem. Like, we have a little, we're elevated, so I already know the sunsets and sunrises are gonna be beautiful here. But I can't wait for the fire tonight. It's chilly, but it's beautiful. Hey, Baba.
So beautiful.
Baba.
Hey, darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey, darling, through the trees, honey. Hey, darling, even for the next step.
Cheers.
Cheers, baby. Just walk here. Almost made me spill my coffee and shit.
Came to Walmart to pick up some things for the RV and pick up some comida. Alright, guys. So we got some of the essentials we needed for the RV. Oh, we need dish soap. Yep. Ew, it's all linty. Gross. Look at him in a rush. I'm gonna turn the camera. Hold on. He's in a rush. Mind you, we have nothing to do.
I guess they don't have wine.
No, they don't. Bye-bye. This is how it feels when you... Oh my god. You look like a big L.
Everything.
I got Nova these cute little dog bowls. Found this cute coffee mug here at Walmart, and it has a little... What would you call this, babe?
Just a rubber grip.
A rubber grip. But isn't it a coaster?
I wouldn't even
Isn't it a coaster?
Yeah, but it's a coaster.
It's a coaster. It's not a rubber grip. It's not a rubber grip.
I wouldn't
It's
even try to
not a
explain it.
rubber grip.
Just don't even
It's
try to explain it. Just say,
not.
look at my mug. It's beautiful, isn't it?
This is our dilemma right now. He's trying to set up our water line, so he's draining the water right now because it has an antifreeze. He's also putting on the screws onto the bottom pipes because the people that sold it to us forgot to put them back on, so he had to go run like 35 minutes away. He was a little mad about that. But other than that, I can't wait for tonight because we just got some wine so we can make a toast to a new accomplishment, new adventures, and more life. So this is one of our favorite wines. It's 19 Crimes. It's affordable wine, and it's really, really good. How's it going over there?
Yo, this crazy, man. Here, you can put this back.
Did you start it?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna become wine connoisseurs.
You put this in here, right?
Yeah.
No.
Hadouken! Thank you, Baba. My Mickey Mouse books. It's freezing. Alright, you guys, so I think we solved how to make sure the water doesn't freeze. We bought some foam insulators or a foam pipe, whatever you want to call it, and we zip tied it to the water pipe. So far so good. So this is definitely almost gonna reach our stairs. Crazy. Hey guys, so we're going on a little adventure. This was his idea, by the way, and now look at him out there in the snow. He said he's gonna do a trick. Let's see what he does.
In my truck. Alright, so remember what I said?
What? Hold on, I need to adjust.
No. Alright, that's it.
Oh, I'm doing it!
Stop. Babe.
Oh shit!
Babe.
Babe, I stopped it! I stopped it!
Oh, is up to the step. Go.
Did you start it?
Yep. Come to Bobby. She's like, help. What's that number? What the hell is this? Help me.
We're in Walmart. We're picking up some sleds. For like a bath runner, I think they call it. I'm not seeing any cute ones, so keep you guys updated. We got back from Walmart. We just finished shoveling a bit. We're about to go sledding. I've never sled before, so, and we have the perfect like little slope. I'm hella excited. But yeah, we got some s'mores ingredients for later tonight, or even in a little bit, because he's starting up the fire right now. So let's see if I can see him. I wanted to show you guys, I found some cute, remember I was just saying at Walmart I couldn't find any like cute bath mats. I found these. They're a nice beige color and they look really, they have the little tassels, so it's giving me like bohemian vibes. This, oh, not cute, goes there. I also got this. So Walmart kind of has like the hookup. You just gotta really look. And if you guys are wondering, right now we're washing dishes in the bathroom sink because my man hasn't opened up the pipes or whatever for the kitchen sink. He's gonna work on that later. Anyways, we're keeping our water on a drip just so the water pipes don't freeze. Pro tip. Cheers!
Cheers, baby.
That's my hunka chunka. He started up the fire. We're about to put the seats down and go sledding. My first time ever.
The nose that way, because your goal is to go
not hit
anything.
Yeah.
Don't mess up the hill.
You ready, Bubba? It's your turn. Yeah.
Welcome to Jackass. I'm Jeremiah, and this is gonna be the ultimate walrus jump.
Yo, what you doing over here? She over here recording vlogs.
Stay there, mommy. Aw.
Hey.
got in our stomachs on.
Jaeger.
Ready.
Oh. Thank you. Glitter?
No, mira, ¿sabes qué? Quédate con esto.
What? Oh, that one's cute.
You gotta try it real well.
He sees the camera on him, he's like. Thank you. Jay.
Oh my God. This
What's up, you guys? So I'm gonna go ahead and end off the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed our first adventures in our RV, our new home. Many more adventures to come, you guys. Stick around. We're gonna be traveling all over the coast of the United States. That is our plan for, I'd say, about 3 months, and I'm super stoked. My top places that I'm really stoked to visit would be Arizona and also Santa Cruz, because I used to go there a lot as a child. If you guys don't know, I was raised in California. I am from Salinas 831. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know every time I post. Bye, guys.